So we have our micro SD card. We'll put that in. So I think we can just try pressing play. Oh, it might be starting now. It's finding home. As it's starting. Doesn't even have the best adhesion, but it is slowly working. So it just went over itself. And see, it's just sort of jumping around as it moves over where it's already previously printed. It is sort of building up. I managed to readjust the build plate, move it down slightly. Now it's up a bit higher, as I say, that it jumps all around. I think this is moving quite a lot. Here it is, almost complete. Should be able to take this off in a few moments. You can see it's a rocket ship, it's taken its shape. It's a few wrinkles, not the cleanest thing, but it doesn't look too bad. I hope I'll be able to take this off and have a look at it soon. And it's just finished printing. It's obviously retracted, and you can see our rocket ship there. I'll turn it off for now. It's a bit quiet. Obviously, we don't need to keep it going. I'll unplug it as well. Not sure if I should have retracted from the filament, but here is our rocket ship. Let's take that off, and you can see we've got it on here. Does seem cool. Should be able to just bend this to get it off. That's got all very well stuck on there. Maybe I should lower the plate just so it doesn't get as good adhesion. It is more about adhesion at the start. There you go. And you can see it's left a bit of a shape there. Hopefully that comes out and doesn't damage it over time. I'll just put that back on there. And here you can see, look at some of the stuff from the magnetic base. The print base has some stuck on it. It's very light, which is what you expect. Got this lovely support around here, and you can see got these striations going up the side. It's a bit of a few gaps there. Some I think maybe that's from when the printing's like jumped or something. But obviously lines, you can feel them. Didn't feel too bad. It feels pretty strong for something that is hollow. So that is my first print, the test a rocket ship. Some other prints, I'll try to print some practical stuff, obviously do a few more tests, and hopefully I'll be able to make some proper time lapses, not just basic ones, but put a camera next to it. So I'll leave this video here. If you like the video, comment down below your thoughts, ideas, futures, and subscribe so you can see any videos like this in the future.